Modern humans move in fewer directions than any generation before us. We chronically sit in one position for 8, 10, sometimes 12 hours a day. We walk on flat, comfortable surfaces. We never squat, we never hang, we never crawl, we never even touch the ground. But these 6 movements that I'm going to show you in this video are what human bodies did every single day for thousands and thousands of years. Before we got into chairs and used desks, which quietly removed these movements from our lives. But your body did not forget these movements. It just stopped being asked to actually do them. And when a movement pattern goes unused long enough, the body treats it as gone. It treats it as a threat. The range closes, the strength disappears, and the joint starts compensating in ways that cost you later in life. So today I'm going to take you through all 6. Each one of these can be done in the comfort of your own home. Each one rebuilds something that your daily life took away. And every one scales to wherever you are starting from. Bring these movements back and your body is going to respond almost immediately. Movement number 1 is the deep squat. This is where we always start because this is the position that your body was built for. You were made to rest here, to work here, to read here, to socialize here, to eat here, to even go to the toilet in this position. But most humans have lost it because they don't often visit it enough. So if you practice this movement every single day, I guarantee you it is going to make tremendous results for your mobility. You want to make sure your heels are fully flat, your hips are below the knees, and you just need to sit there, relax there. If you cannot get to the bottom position, you can elevate your heels slightly onto a wedge, or you can use an assistance like a box or a pole or a TRX to help you sit back into that squat and allow you time in that position. So this is just the same position with just less use of your own active mobility. That's it. Practice your level and work with that to improve to the next level as soon as possible. Exercise number 2 is the dead hang, the passive hang. Hanging is one of the most amazing things you can do for your upper body, for your shoulder health, for your spine health, for your grip, which is a massive predictor of longevity. So the more that you hang, the more benefits you are going to get, not only in your training and injury prevention, but also your longevity. You want to make sure your thumbs are around the bar and you want to make sure that you are as relaxed as possible, allowing gravity to pull everything down. You can play around with different types of hangs. You can do active hangs, you can do one-arm hangs, you can do dynamic hangs. All of this will come over time. Pick your level now and try to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 to 5 sets every single day. Working your way to be able to hang longer. Working your way to being able to hang longer and longer as you progress. If you can't currently hang, you can elevate your feet onto a box or even keep your feet on the floor to allow yourself to assist more, reduce the intensity, but still get the benefits of decompression. Movement number 3 is bear crawls. I'm going to show you 3 different variations of a crawl here. The first is the bear crawl. So we're just moving our arm and our foot at the same time. We're keeping our legs locked and our elbows straight. And just keep walking. You can choose to do counterlateral, so opposite arm, opposite leg, or you can do same arm, same leg, which will challenge your proprioception and coordination a lot more. The second crawl is one with the arms and the legs bent. Same thing. Here I'm trying to do counterlateral, so I'm moving my opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time, and I'm trying to keep weight on my hands as much as possible, engaging my core and just moving through that pattern, feeling my body connect with the ground and also connect with my body. The third and final crawl is one I call Mr. Tiki Tiki. This one is nice and low to the ground. Your knees are very close to the ground. They're also very close to your wrists. And you're gonna move the hand and the foot at the same time, making sure you're staying nice and low to the ground the whole time. Core is engaged, elbows are locked, and you are working your way back and forth. Movement number 4, get up and down to the floor and back up to standing, no hands. It doesn't matter how you get there. You can get there cross-legged, you can get there with one leg, however your body wants to fold. The rule is the same. Sit down in various positions and stand back up without your hands touching the ground or any other part. This is the move that decides whether you are still getting off the floor on your own at 80 or whether you need help. Not only that, but this is so fun to actually play like a puzzle with your own body. You sit down and you stand up in various positions and you can find out where it feels constricted, where it feels free, and this is information and feedback for your body to allow you to know where you need to work on, where you need to improve. It's such a fun exercise that you can do daily at home for 5 or 10 minutes at a time. Just put on some music and practice getting up and down off the floor without using your hands. Movement number 5 is spinal rotation. Your spine was built to turn, so we train it through full range. Oftentimes, chronic sitting makes us sit into a prawn position where our shoulders are hunched forward, our chin is down, our shoulders don't really even move, and our upper back gets super locked and restricted, which affects not only our posture, our breathing, our sleep, but also our mobility and our ability to function in daily life. So you really want to make sure you're taking care of that spine. I'm going to show you 3 different variations here too. The first one is from the bottom of a squat. You're going to rotate and you're going to reach through, lifting your full arm up and punching the sky. This is absolutely amazing for opening up the thoracic, and I've yet to find a movement that beats this one. Do this daily and you're going to feel so much benefit in your upper back immediately. Second movement is in a straddle position. Now this one really targets the shoulders, the anterior deltoids, and also the chest. Opens up absolutely everything in your body. Your whole posterior chain gets targeted, and it is so good to do after a long day of sitting. And the third one is a cross-legged twist through the middle. Now I twist to both sides because I find that this really opens my spine nicely in both directions. You can feel a deep stretch in your glutes as well as your hip flexors here. So practice on both sides on each leg. You will probably feel one leg is tighter than the other, and that's totally normal. Just work your way towards improving rep by rep, movement by movement. And the final exercise is a weighted carry or a farmer's carry. So you're going to pick up something heavy and you are going to walk. I've got kettlebells here, but you can use dumbbells, you can use shopping bags, you can use whatever you have at home that is heavy enough for you to need to be able to control it with your shoulders back, your core engaged, and the weight really pulling you down. So start with 2 hands to load the whole body, and then also work it 1 hand at a time. Now your core has to fight to keep you upright and also traveling forward. That's where the work happens. It's magical. This is the oldest strength there is. You carried or you didn't survive. So that's it. 6 movements, a few minutes a day. That is all it takes to put back what thousands of years built into you and modern life quietly stripped out. Do these movements this week and pay attention to which one your body fought the hardest for. That is the movement that you need the most. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, share it with somebody who needs it. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and I'll see you in the next video.